Who else read this tweet and was confused? Trump's making a very bold claim by saying he can bring down mortgage rates by buying mortgage-backed securities. And the logic makes sense, but how the finances actually work on this can be kind of confusing. So let's break it down. Trump says in his tweet that in his first term, he decided to not sell Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which are basically private institutions that the government oversees to help people get mortgages. And over the last decade or so, those companies have become very profitable. Essentially, they're like banks, to the point now where they have around $200 billion in cash reserves. So what Trump's saying is they need to use that money to buy back mortgage bonds. And if you're still confused on how this makes interest rates go down, think about it like this. Let's say you loan each of your 10 friends $100 at 5% interest. And so next year, they each owe you $5. Now, you might not want to wait a few years to get all of your money back. So you go to a big bank and you say, hey bank, why don't you buy all of these loans from me? And when they pay interest, the interest just goes to you. Well, say what if instead of just one bank, there was 10 banks that were all trying to buy your loans? That would drive the price of them up. So you decide if a bank wants to buy your loan, they have to buy the loan for $105, not just $100. Remember though, to those original friends that you loaned the money to, they still only owe $5 in interest. But the bank paid $105 for a loan that only pays $5 of interest. And 5 over 150 means that they are only getting a 4.8% interest rate instead of the original 5% that you charge. Trump in this scenario is telling Freddie Mae to go out there and act like all of those 10 other banks competing on the price. If you buy more mortgage bonds, the price of the mortgage bond goes up, which means that the interest rates go down. If you found this interesting, make sure to follow and comment below what do you think if this will actually help the housing market.